Is BeFrugal really one of the best cashback sites to earn when you shop, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many of you have asked me about this platform. So therefore, I decided to test it, and in this BeFrugal review, I'll give you an inside look and show all the details, both the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away that it has both. So you need to know all the details to find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before going over how to earn on BeFrugal and how to get cash back when you shop, let's first talk about who can even join, because you can actually join BeFrugal from more or less all countries from what I have been able to find out. And you can both use the website, and it also has an app that you can use for both iOS and Android devices. However, even though you can join from most countries, it does not mean it's worth it for all countries, because we will go over all the different offers it has here, and some of them are just for specific countries. So you will likely find that it is very limited which countries it's worth it from. But you will see that when we go over the earning methods. So let's then start going over those. So I have now logged into my BeFrugal account, and it is a legit cashback site. Let me just reveal that right away. It does pay, and you can find quite a lot of ways to earn here. And the main way to earn here is cashback deals. So that means like if you go here and you shop through one of the stores, you will get cashback. For example, you can see right now, for example, Macy's 10% cashback. So that means if I click here, go through their link and shops online, I'll get 10% of what I buy back into my BeFrugal account, and I can then take them out, and we'll go over the payout options and when you can take them out in just a bit. So if you ever shop online, it's almost silly not to use some kind of cashback site at least, because then the money you're going to spend anyways, you're just getting a part of it back, and that's the big advantage of cashback sites in general. And I must say, BeFrugal, you can see it has quite a lot of different offers. Here on the front page, you can see right now they have some special deals and today's top deals, but you can also go here and search for the different categories. And for example, let's say you wanted to look for computers there, you can go there and click and see all the ones that they have available here. For example, Lenovo will get like 13% cashback, and then you can just go through there and see. But what you need to be aware of is that when you click here, it's very important that you don't just go to the shop. This will open up the shop, and then it tracks that I come from this link, and that's how they will track that I'll get cashback. So that also means if you have an ad blocker, it will likely not track it, so then you won't actually get the cashback. So that's an important thing to be aware of. But also there is this little link, cashback terms, and this is very important that you read that for every single offer, because you see there are certain conditions, and these will vary depending on the offer. For example, here you can see sales up to 200, and then it will be 10% on the remaining amount there. And also you see it not on gift cards, not on outlet items. No, there's all these different conditions, so you need to make sure that you actually aware of this, because if not, you can get disappointed or end up maybe shopping an item that is not included, and then you'll of course just get disappointed. So always before you shop there, go click, read the terms, and then you will see the exact terms there. But you also don't have to necessarily go through here. You can also add it to Chrome. They do have a Chrome extension, and if you go there and you can add this, then you can automatically get the coupons and cashback applied. So when you come to an online shop, so you don't have to go to BeFrugal and find the offer from there, you can also just have this installed, and it will let you know if there is a deal in the shop you're in. So that definitely can save some time. And it can also make sure that you don't miss out of any of the deals when you're going to shop anyways. But there's also another way where you potentially can save with the coupons. And then we also need to talk about the joining bonus, because you can potentially get a $10 joining bonus. You just need to know the exact details for this. I will talk about all that next. Let's first go over the coupons. So in addition to getting cash back, there are also some coupons. You can see the online coupons. There's also actually restaurant coupons or printable coupons, grocery coupons. So there's quite a lot of different ones. So you can see the grocery coupons. So for example, then there's some different products where you will get like $1 off, or for this particular one, you will get 50 cents off. So, you know, it's kind of like can be a good way to save some extra money. And even with restaurants, there are not that many cashback sites in my experience that offer that, but you can see here you can actually get some good offers there and save some money. But as you can see, both from the stores and from the coupons, like a lot of these are aimed towards the US. So even though you can join from all countries, they're not necessarily worth it. You need to at least go and make sure what offers and if they are relevant for you. And the good thing is that you can see all this before actually creating an account, so you can decide if it's then worth it for you or not. If it's not worth it for you, then there are a lot of other great cashback sites. I will leave a link to a list below here, this video, where you can find the top cashback sites, and many of those are available in many different countries. But let's now talk about the $10 joining bonus that you can also get and how to get it. So just by joining BeFrugal, you will see $10 in your account. This is a welcome bonus you will get just for signing up. But to actually get it active so you can take it out, you need to fulfill certain requirements. Of course, that's always how it is when you get a joining bonus like that. And you can see here, you need to then earn at least $10 in cashback within 365 days of the joining date. So this is actually really good conditions, because you have a year to earn $10 cashback. So if you're joining, and you need to use it active to get the $10 joining bonus, but you have a year. Many other cashback sites, if you get a joining bonus, they will say that you need to do it within 30 or 60 days or something, but here you actually have a year. So very good conditions like that. And then just see the bonus can then become payable within 30 to 60 days after the purchase date. So that's just something you need to be aware of. But let's now then talk about how you can get paid and how quickly you can get paid. So when it comes to payout options, BeFrugal actually does offer quite a few different ones. You can see it does offer check only in the US, but you need to earn $25. You can see direct deposit to bank, also only in the US, but you only need to earn 1 cent to get paid via direct bank transfer. Very low payout threshold. The same with PayPal. You see, this is not only the US, so this is also from other countries, only 1 cent. Very low payout threshold. I do like that they have that low payout threshold. You see Venmo also sell their e-cards. So it has a lot of great payout options, a very low payout threshold. So that is definitely great options in my opinion. So to sum it all up, BeFrugal has both pros and cons. It does offer decent cashback rates, and for quite a lot of different stores, it's just not relevant for all people, even though you can join from all. And there are cashback sites with better offers in my personal opinion, but I do like that they, for example, have a lot of great payout options to choose from and a very low payout threshold for many of them. So that is definitely a great aspect. But I would say, as for a cashback site, it's a good option. It's not the absolute best, but definitely it can be worth it. It has both pros and cons. So whether it's for you or not really depends on your personal preferences. I do have a full written review of this also on my website that I will also keep updating when there's changes happening and where you can read even more details. I'll leave that below. There you can also find a link to a list of my top recommended cashback sites, so you can see if there's some that might be better for you. So make sure to check that out below this video. Also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.